Monteverde residential lot. Developer is Santa Lucia Land. This is along highway, a few kilometers away from Pililla Windmill. Ito siya, may mga sasakyan po dumadaan. So napakaganda po ng location. This is overlooking residential. Soon to operate, soon to open. Medyo hindi po natin makita yung view kasi po may nagbo-bulldozer. Pero ito po siya, nalapit po ako. Soon to open, Monteverde, Pililla. Located in Barangay Halayhayin, Pililla, Rizal. Great view. Maganda pong investment, hanggang mura ka.